In today's video, I am going to teach you how to cancel Figma subscription. We'll walk through the exact path inside Figma so you can confidently end a paid plan for a team without second-guessing where to click. You can do this from either the browser or the desktop app. And the experience is essentially the same. Before you begin, make sure you are working in the correct team, and that you have the right permissions to manage billing for that team. Start by opening Figma in your browser or launching the desktop app. Once you are in the file browser, look to the left sidebar. This is where all of your teams are listed. Find the team whose paid plan you want to cancel. Take a moment to verify it's the right one, especially if you are part of multiple teams, because the change you are about to make applies only to that specific team. Next, go to the team's admin or settings area. You'll see an admin button next to the team name in the sidebar. Click that. If you don't see an admin button, click the small drop-down arrow next to the team name and choose View Settings. Both routes take you to the same place. At the top of the page you'll see several tabs. Click the Settings tab to access billing and plan details. In the Settings tab, scroll to the section labeled Plan. This is where you manage your subscription. If you are on a monthly billing cycle, you'll see a Cancel Plan option. Click Cancel Plan. If your team is on an annual billing cycle, you may see Change Annual Plan instead. Select that to access the cancellation flow. Figma will guide you through a few on-screen prompts. These prompts typically ask you to choose a reason for canceling and will outline what changes will occur to your team when the plan ends. Review the information carefully so you understand how your team's permissions and features may adjust after cancellation. When you are ready, confirm the cancellation by clicking Cancel Plan again as prompted. Figma may show a summary screen to make sure everything looks correct. Confirm once more to finalize. After this, your team's paid plan will be canceled, and the account will transition according to the information shown during the prompts. That's it. Thanks for watching.